Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to auto-organize email attachments with Zapier. So basically, how to auto-save using Zapier with your emails to your Google Drive. So let's get started with the video. So first, you must be signed into your Zapier account. This is zapier.com. Once you are signed in, what you need to do, you will see an option of Zap over here. Just click on this. After that, it will take you to this page. You will get an option of trigger over here. Just click on trigger. Then here you need to choose the Gmail app since we want the Gmail to connect to Google Drive and automatically download the attachments. So we will click on Google, Gmail, and at the right side you will see this option. In the trigger event, just choose new attachment. Post that, just make sure that you're signed into your account. Here you will get an option of sign in. After that, click on continue. Here you will get an option of label or mailbox. So basically where you want, in which folder of Gmail you want that particular attachment to be present. You can choose here chat, send, inbox. For example, I'm choosing inbox. Is there any particular search keyword that you need to enter? You can enter it here and then click on continue. From here, you can test your particular trigger. Click on test trigger. It will take few seconds for testing. And as you can see here, there are few attachment. You need to select a particular attachment and click on continue with selected attachment. Post that, you need to connect it with your Google Drive. So here, the next time you need to choose Google Drive over here. Again, choose the event. Add file sharing preference, copy file. You need to copy that particular file, delete file, move file, replace file, upload file. You can choose it according to your need. I am choosing upload file. Then again click on this sign in and sign in to your particular account. Post that, click on continue. And here these are some kind of filter option that you want to set. For example, where you want to set, you can choose my Google Drive. Is there any particular folder that you want to add it to it? You can click on any folder where you want to add that particular attachment. I am right now choosing this one. Is there any particular file? You can enter it here. Convert to document. Do you want that file to be converted into document? If you have a PDF file, you can enter true or false. For right now, I'm choosing false. File name, you can enter here. File extension, what extension of file you want. For example, if it's in doc, PDF, you can choose it. And once enter, you need to click on to continue, finish required fields. Once you have added all detail, click on continue. It will take you to the test page. So basically you have to here, as you can see, it's been going to your Google Drive from your Gmail to Google Drive. It will attach it. You can just skip this test if you want to, or you can test this step as well. The last step which you will see over here is publish. So at the end, what you need to do, just click on this publish icon. So once you will click on this publish icon, what will happen, it will auto organize the email attachments from your Google Gmail to your Google Drive. So this is how basically you can do that using Zapier. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.